Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on notification center on your WeChat app. We will go to turn on this mark on now how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here, and you click here on message notifications, then you come here to message notifications and you come here to notification center. You click here on this mark, and like I say, this color show for us, that's my notification center. It's on now when this color show for us here. So that's all you have to do, you to turn on this on your app. I wish now you I get it, you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.